Have you ever been frustrated trying to use a software program that is supposed to be easy to use, but it's not? You're not alone. Many people find that even the most popular software programs can be difficult to learn and use. In this video, we're going to take a look at Quickbase, a low-code application development platform that is designed to be easy to use for people with no technical background. We'll answer the question, is Quickbase easy to use? And we'll also discuss some of the pros and cons of using Quickbase. Before we get started, let's define what we mean by easy to use. In this context, we're looking for a software program that is intuitive, user-friendly, and easy to learn. We're also looking for a software program that is powerful and flexible enough to meet the needs of a wide range of users. Is Quickbase easy to use? The answer to this question is a resounding yes. Quickbase is designed to be easy to use for people with no technical background. The platform provides a drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to create and customize applications. Here are some of the things that make Quickbase easy to use. Intuitive interface. The Quickbase interface is very intuitive and easy to navigate. Drag-and-drop functionality. The drag-and-drop functionality makes it easy to create and customize applications without having to write any code. Extensive help and support. Quickbase provides extensive help and support, including online documentation, tutorials, and a community forum. Quick Start templates. Quickbase provides a number of quick start templates that you can use to get started quickly. Pros and cons of using Quickbase. Pros. Easy to use. Quickbase is very easy to use, even for people with no technical background. Powerful and flexible. Quickbase is a powerful and flexible platform that can be used to meet the needs of a wide range of users. Scalable. Quickbase is scalable, so it can grow with your business. Affordable. Quickbase is affordable, especially when compared to other low-code application development platforms. Cons. Limited customization. Quickbase does not offer as much customization as some other low-code application development platforms. Not as powerful as some other platforms. Quickbase is not as powerful as some other low-code application development platforms, but it is still a powerful tool for most businesses. Overall, Quickbase is a great option for businesses that are looking for an easy-to-use and affordable low-code application development platform. If you're looking for a platform that is powerful and flexible, you may want to consider another option. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, I encourage you to visit their website or sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on low-code application development.